Okay, good morning. This one, today we will learn about the new chapter, is chapter 13, the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, the learning standard, here have the 13.1, the Pythagoras theorem. First objective is identify and define the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Number 2, determine the relationship between the side of right angle triangle. Hence, explain the Pythagoras theorem by referring to the relationship. Number 3, determine the length of the unknown side of a right angle triangle. Combine geometric shape. And number 4, solve problem involve the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. What is the hypotenuse? We are often told about the size of the monitor screen of the computer as 19 inch, 21 inch or 24 inch and so forth. The size is measured according to the length of the monitor diagonally. What is the relationship between the size of the monitor screen and the length and the weight of the monitor screen? From the result exploration activity 1, it is found that the longest side of the right angle triangle is always the side opposite to the right angle. The longest side opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Example here, and we can see A is the hypotenuse. This one is not, because not opposite is the right angle triangle. This one also not, because this one is the 90 degrees, not 95 degrees. Okay. For each of the following, identify the hypotenuse. Okay. Must be 90 degrees. AC, so AC is hypotenuse, the side opposite to the right angles. So PR is the hypotenuse of the right SR. PQ is the hypotenuse of triangle PRQ. You can refer this one lah. So this one is the hypotenuse and this one is the hypotenuse. Okay. What is the relationship between the side of the right angle triangle? Okay, you can see here. Here, the white color is the right angle triangle. Area of R means area of P, area of Q. AC quotient AC power of 2 equal AB square plus BC square. So the relationship is known as the Pythagoras theorem. Example 2. For each the following, state the relationship between the length of the side of the given right angle triangle. So PR square equal QR square plus PQ square. So about C, we have a B. Here C square equal A square plus B square. How do you determine the length of the unknown side of a right angle triangle? Pythagoras theorem can be used to determine the length of an unknown side in a right angle triangle if the length of two other sides are given. Example here like this. So if you have to calculate x, so you need to write down 12 square plus 60 square, 144 plus 256. The answer is 400. And 400 square, x square root, so the answer is 20. So how about this one? This one is 26, the hypotenuse. So you need to write down in front. So 26 square equal x square plus 24 square. But cannot be found because the x. So you just put the x in the left side. So 26 square equal 24 square. So the answer is 676 minus 776. So the answer is 100. 100 to become square root, and the answer is 10. Calculate the length of the PQ in each of the following diagram. Well, you see here the PR is not have the amount, and then you need to find out the PQ. So PR square equal 3 square plus 4 square is answer 9 plus 16, and the answer is 25. When you got this one, answer 25, so you can count and get the answer of the PQ. So PQ square equal PR square plus RQ square equal B. 25 plus 12 square is answer 169. So one answer 169 square root, so the answer will be 13 centimeter. How about question B? Question B, the question mark here is Q, and we need to find the PQ, okay, or QS. QS square equals 6 square plus X square, 36 plus 64 equal to 100, and then the PS square equal QS square plus PQ square, PQ square equal PS square plus minus QS square. The answer is 50 square minus 100. Okay, and then the answer will be 125. 125 we square it, so the answer is 11.118. And you must be in calculator, it has the many number, so you just put the 2 decimal place. And last, how do you solve problem? A fireman climbed up a ladder to save a child who is trapped on a third floor as shown in a diagram. The third floor is 6 meters high from the horizontal ground. The base of the ladder is 4.5 meters away from the way of the building. How long is the ladder? A fireman comes up the ladder. Okay, so we go to the solution. Solution is distance of the third floor from the horizontal ground is 6 meters. Distance of the base of the ladder from the building is 4.5 meters. Find the length of the ladder. Okay. Draw the right angle triangle PQR to represent the given information. Use Pythagoras theorem. And you can draw this one like this, 4.5 and 6. Right angle triangle. PR square equal PQ square plus QR square. 4.5 square plus 6 square, and the answer is 20.25 plus 36, and the answer is 56.25. PR is 7.5 meter, thus the length of the ladder is the 7.5 meter. Doing inflation, 7.5 square equal to 56.25. So thus is the same. 4.5 square plus 6 square equal 56.25 also. So next example, in the diagram PVRQ and RUTS are square. Calculate the perimeter of the whole diagram. VU square equal VR square plus RU square. 12 square plus 16 square is 400. And VU is 400. Square root for have 20 centimeter. So you can find here, this one is have the 12, 12, 16, 16, 16, and here only the 20. So 20 plus 16, 16, 16 plus 12, plus 12, plus 12, and the answer is 0.104 centimeter. Okay, next, the second one is the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, the objective is determine whether a triangle is a right angle triangle and give justification based on the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Number 2, solve problem involving the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, how do you determine whether a triangle is a right angle triangle? From the result of etiology activity 3, it is found that C square less than A square plus B square, then the angles opposite to side C is an acute angle. If C square more than A square plus B square, then the angles opposite to side C is an obtuse angle. Then the last one, C square equal A square plus B square, then the angles opposite to side C is a right angle. The converse of Pythagoras theorem states that C square equal A square plus B square, then the angles opposite to side C is a right angle. So you choose this one. So determine whether each following triangle is a right angle triangle. So you can see here. You can see here the longest side is 25 centimeter. 25 square is answer 625. And thus when you plus the different number 24 square plus 7 square, 576 plus 49 is 626. So, it's same, right? So, the answer is DEF is a right angle triangle. How about this one? This one, the longest is 20 centimeters. So, if you square it, and the answer is 400. So, if you combine the others, x square plus 12 square is 324 plus 144. So, the answer is 468. So, STU is not the right angle triangle because it's not same. Okay, you can see here. How do you solve problems? So, in the diagram, calculate the value of x. So, it has 20, 21 centimeter, 29, 35 C is C square equal A square plus B square. Okay. So, means this one is the right angle triangle. Okay. So, if this one is the right angle triangle, after you sure with your calculator, so the answer is 90 degrees. So, you can find the Q here. Okay. This one is 90 degrees. This one can find it. So, 360 minus 90 degrees equal 155. And the balance is 115. So, the x is 180 minus 115 minus 28. So, the answer is 37. The answer of x here. So, Sheila is given 3 straws to form a frame in the shape of a right angle triangle. The straws are 15, 20, 25 long respectively. Will she be able to form the frame in the shape of the right angle triangle? So 50 square plus 20 square is 225 plus 400. The answer is 625. 25 square equals 325 too. So the answer also 50 square plus 20 square equals 25 square. Therefore, Sheila will be able to form the frame in the shape of the right angle triangle. This is the summary. You can read it. So that's all for this topic and the last topic. So thank you for watching this video. Okay, bye bye. See you.